what's up? My name is DL and welcome to a reaction video. In this episode, I'm going to try to do one from a YouTuber called Fearsome Foursome. This one, anime gifs with sound. It's an anime gifs with sound, even though we know it's not a gift at all. It's episode 27 called Side Boobs Apologies. I don't know why, but hey, still. Alright, and let's check it out.
Came out to play, stay out my way, motherfucker. We gonna rock, then we gonna roll, then we let it pop, don't let it go.
Oh, too much, too much. Oh, put that back.
We gon' give it to you. First we gonna rock, then we gonna roll, then we let it pop, don't let it go. X gon' give it to you. He gon' give it to you. X gon' give it to you. He gon' give it to you. He ain't never gave nothing to me. Every woman has the right queef free. Let your queefing star shine bright. You are woman, hear you roar. Queefing too loud to ignore. Queefing too scary, let your soul take flight.
What the fuck was that? Alright, stop. Damn. Oh, damn.
Before I left, I hit the Bacardi. Pulled to the house, get her out of the pad. The bitch said something to make me mad. She said something that I couldn't believe. So I grabbed the stupid bitch by a nappy ass weave. Started talking shit, wouldn't you know? I reached back like a pimp and I slapped that hoe. When a boss stood up and he started. Cause you got something special that makes me wanna taste you. I want
Okay, that
it all day long. I'm addicted like it's wrong. I want it all day long. I'm addicted like it's.
What you gonna do with that dessert?
What? 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 Oh, she killed it. Killed.
Look at that side boob. Check out this side boob. How about that side boob? That turn you on? Well, it shouldn't, because that's my side boob. Good night, everybody.
Family Guy reference. Oh.
Shake that ass for me. Come on, girl, shake that.
Alright, I just want to check this out. I want to check this out again. It's just, she killed that damn move. Oh, that's what.
What you gonna do with that dessert?
She killed that. Oh, I want to see that step. I want to see that step again.
Look at that.
She killed it. She murked it. She ain't murdered it. She murked it. Alright, I'm going to end the episode right there. Hope y'all like it. Hit the like button. Share, favorite, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope to see y'all guys in the next video. Peace!